It's raining. Oh my god. Oh dear. Oh, look at that raining. Come on. God, focus, please. Here we go. And there's a Christmas light over there. Oh well, it's all run out of battery, so I'm gonna have to charge. Hey guys, this rain is getting slow. It's about to be stopped. Pause for a second. So yeah, I missed this. Well, if alright guys, I just missed this. The rain is going so slow and just about to be stopped. I just see. The rain is going so heavy. Well, when I try to record, but it's full memory. And that one I forgot. I mean, no. And that one I just left Dad's room. That I forgot. It's stupid. Bang in the window. Oh gosh. Now what am I gonna do? And I tried to use a blue memory card, but it's power influence. So I missed this. So it's getting so slow, and also and the window closed. So I have to use this 2006 one of the camera. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, right. I apologize about this. I apologize. Alright, so I hate to say this, but I apologize about you can't see because of the dark camera right there. You know, let's see. I can't see about this. Yeah, right. I apologize again for convenience. As you can see, it's because of the dark, stupid. So yeah, that's all today. And this, you like see that? Yeah, today's my bad luck. That I forgot to put it back in on this camera. So I just left Dad's room. Well guys, no stupid bad luck, and this is BC Ultra 85 signing out, and peace out and over and out.